Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to draw a kawaii plant. So let's get started. First of all, I am going to draw the upper portion of kawaii plant. Just make these three shapes. Okay. This is the head of the plant, and to make it more cute, I'm going to make a bow here. Okay. Now start drawing the face. This is the face of the kawaii plant. Now draw the stem, two leaves, and a pot. Make a heart-like shape inside. Two eyes. Okay, so our kawaii plant drawing is complete. Now let's start coloring. Okay, so our kawaii cute plant drawing and coloring is complete. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.